roses are red, the sun rises in the east and goes down in the west. Oh, I have a plan tomorrow. Yeah, going to the beach. I do look forward to this trip. I've been under a lot of pressure these days. So, what time? I'm gonna have a look at the schedule now.
Hi, Gu. How are you doing?
Long time no see you.
What are you doing?
I'm searching for my flight to Hawaii.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah, my flight will start at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
We'll start? No. Actually, I can understand what you mean, but it's grammatically wrong. Many English learners know that they will use simple present for facts, truth, or daily habits, but few of them know that simple present can be used for future. In order to help you get the idea easily, I'm trying to summarize the information as follows. Firstly, we can use simple present to talk about future. This is common when we talk about events that are part of timetable or a regular schedule or something similar. For example, the summer term starts on the 1st of June. Or, when does the bus arrive in Seattle? Or, my plane leaves at 3 o'clock. Secondly, simple present is used with a future meaning in subordinate clauses, especially after what, where, until, and if. So, do you think this following sentence is correct or not? I'll tell you what I will find out. Actually, it's wrong. And you have to say, I'll tell you what I find out instead. And I have other examples. She'll pay you back when she has a job. Or, John will see us if he has time.
Wow, this is really amazing. This is the first time I've heard about this.
You are very welcome.
So, how about instruction? I mean, when asking for and giving instruction, do we use simple present for future meaning?
Actually, we use simple present with a future meaning when you ask for or give direction. Something like, what do we do now? Or, when you get to London, catch the train to Liverpool and go straight to Victoria Station.
Okay, I'm noting down.
So, do you know how to use simple present for future now?
Yes, the
Okay.
information is really helpful.
That's good. That's all that we want to share you today.
We hope that you could find the sharing useful.
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Shining with Misen, a shortcut to your English enhancement. And now, goodbye.